Here at TL Technologies, what we do is all about controlling the dimensions on all the parts that we make. So we are a precision machining company, and we make some very tightly toleranced parts.
It's almost more fun to go out to the machine and actually produce something, that I've been floating around here on my screen. I start out with my modeling software, where I'll bring in any models that are already made from, say, a customer if they have something, or where I start from scratch and I make the part in three-dimensional space and start actually programming toolpaths to cut the material out.
And we control things down to the micron level. And a really good example of how small we control these dimensions would be if you took a blood cell out of your body and measured across that entire blood cell, it would be 8 microns. Our machines repeat to 2 microns. So the quarter of a width of one blood cell is what we control on many parts, multiple dimensions on those parts.
Every hour or two I bring a piece in and put it on this, and it will measure everything that we can't measure easily by hand, like angles, radius, and all that stuff.
So it is an incredible sense of worth and value when you bring something into your facility that is a chunk of steel or a block of aluminum, and when you're done, it goes out the door. It could be something that somebody pays thousands of dollars for, and you get the pride of knowing that you created that on a daily basis. You are creating something that someone is willing to pay a lot of money to have.